Okay. In this video, we'll be looking at logarithms of numbers greater than 1. Logarithms of numbers greater than 1. Under which we'll look at first, we'll look at multiplication and division of logarithms of numbers greater than 1. We are going to illustrate this with an example. We are going to evaluate 45.16 times 482.9 divided by 72.3 without using calculator. We are going to be using logarithm table. Okay, so how do we go about it? First, we'll try to put it in a tabular form just so that our work looks neat, appears neat. So I'll start by drawing a table, So, okay. So we'll have that. And then have a number here. We write our logarithm this way. So we'll first put each of the numbers we have in the question underneath the number part here. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing 45.16 here. And now let's find the logarithm of 45.16. How do we go about finding the logarithm of 45.16? We are going to first try to put 45.16 in standard form. How? 45.16 in standard form is going to be 4.516 times 10 raised to power 1. Okay, so if that is this number represented in standard form, my integral part will now be this power 1. So I'm going to have 1 here, 1 point. Okay, I need to quickly explain that logarithm is made up of whole numbers and decimal. Whole numbers we call the integer or the characteristics, let's say 45.16. It's made up of whole number part and decimal part. This we call characteristics or integer part, and this other part is called mantissa, or the decimal part. Yeah, we call it the mantissa. Okay, so now our characteristics is going to be 1 because we have been able to put a number in standard form, and so whatever we have as a power of 10 becomes our integer here, becomes our characteristics here. So if it's our characteristics, then we have that we are now going to check for the logarithm of 45.16 using our 4-figure table. So if we do that correctly, we are going to open to our 4-figure table. We are going to check logarithms of numbers. I'm going to scroll down and look for 45. I'm going to look for 45 under 1 difference 6. So when we do that, the difference is usually added. So when we check for 45 under 1, you can check from where you are. Check your 4-figure table with you right now. So you're going to see that it is 6, 5, 4, 2. Let me put that down. 6, 5, 4, 2. And then if we go under difference, we're going to see that difference 6 is 6. We're going to add that up, and then we have 8 here, 4, 5, 6. So that would be our Mantis part. Okay. So that's taking care of the first one. So we are going to work on the second one this time around. So for the second, we are still going to write it under the number part where we have 482.9. Trying to put 482.9 in standard form will be 4.829 times 10 raised to power 2. Okay, so 10 raised to power 2, this power here becomes our integer part, and that would be 2 here. No? So we have 2 points. Now we are going to use our 4-figure table again. We're going to use our 4-figure table again to check for 48 under 2 difference of 9. So that will give us, let's quickly check 48 under 2. You can use your 4-figure table. So what do we have here? We have that 48 under 2 is 6, 8, 3, 0. And then the difference of 9, we usually add the difference, like I said. Difference of 9 is 8, sorry. I'm going to write 8. So add up. So that will give us 6, 8, 3, 8. So that will be my Mantis part, 6, 8, 3, 8. So I'm not going to, remember that it's multiplication here. So by reason of multiplication, I'm going to add. So I'll add up these two. If I add up correctly, I'm going to have 6, 8, then we have 3 here, then we have 3 again, 0.4. So there is a number as the denominator. So we are going to work on that now. All right. So next, I'm going to bring forth that. I'm going to write 4 times 7, 3.2.2. Okay, so 73.2, we are going to try to put that in standard form. 73.2 in standard form is 7.32 times 10 raised to power 1. So my integer part, my dear students, will be this power of 10, and that's 1. So my integer part is 1 point. So I'm going to use my 4-figure table to check for some 3 under 2. So quickly, let's check together. 73 under 2. 73 under 2. 73 under 2 is, there's no difference this time around. So I'm just going to have my 8, 6, 4, 5. All right. Now, by reason of this division sign here, I'm sure you can see my pointer. By reason of that division sign, I'm going to subtract. So in multiplying and dividing logarithms of number greater than 1, we usually add, when it comes to the logarithm part, we add, when we are multiplying the numbers, we add it up when we come under logarithm. And then when it comes to division, we subtract. Okay, so we're going to subtract. Now, if you subtract that correctly, you are going to have 6 minus 5 is 1, 8 minus 4, 1, 8 minus 4 is 4, 3 minus 6 is not possible, so I'm going to collect from the next number. 13 minus 6 is 7, Then we have 2 left here. 2 minus 8 is not possible. I'm taking 1 from here. So this is left 3. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. That's not all. We're going to come back here and put this number in number form. We have worked on logarithm part, so it's time for us now. Everything here we've done the logarithm part. We want to transform it back into the number form, and that way, how do we transform it back? By looking for the anti-logarithm of this number here. Okay, so anti-logarithm of that, can use our 4-figure table to for anti-logarithm of 47, no, 0.47, yeah, 0.47 under 4, add the difference of 1. Keep this first. We are going to use it eventually. I'll let you know when we're going to use it. Okay, I'll let you know when we use it. Let's save this. Let's save this too. Here. Let's save this too. We'll use it, but I'll let you know when. So we're going to check for 0.47, 0.47 under 4 difference of 1. We'll add a difference of 1. So quickly, what do we have? I'm going to see that we have 2979. Okay, plus the difference 1. We usually add the difference. I'm going to put 1. The difference of 1 is 1. Adding that, I have 0.892. So that would be my result here. 2980. Okay, so 980, I'll quickly put it in standard form. Okay, I put that in standard form. I'm going to have, tell me, you can guess 2.98 times 10 raised to the power. I don't know what the power will be. So you know that we saved this. All right, now it's time to use it. So it's going to be, this is standard form, now be 2.980, 2.98 times 10 raised to the power this integer here. So 10 raised to the power this integer is 2, so it's going to be 10 raised to the power 2. So I'm going to simply put my 2 there. So that's, I have 2. Okay, so that's my result. 2.98 times 10 raised to the power 2. And transform it back to an ordinary number, and that's just 198. 198. So that's that for logarithms of numbers less than, sorry, logarithms of numbers greater than 1. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.